Example number 13. Friends equals to Ali, Jamila, Dilbarjan, Nimra. Print of hello message to all friends. For friend in friends, print of hello, comma friends, comma backslash with the n, print of the end. So this will be the final output. Look, friends is the variable names. It is just the identifier, it is the variable. It is just the name which I give friends here, friends. It is the list of the friends. Ali, Jamila, Dilbarjan, Nimra. These are just the names of the friends. So individually they are strings. Ali is a string. It is the collection of the characters inside the quotes. So it is a string. Similarly, Jamila is a string. It is the collection of the characters inside the quotes. And Dilbarjan is also a string. It is the collection of characters inside the quotes. Nimra is also a string. It is the collection of the characters inside the quotes. So these items are actually strings. It is the collection of the strings, which are the names of the friends in a list. So I'm using print function here, print of hello message to all friends. This is the title message. This print function will be the title message here, hello message to all friends with the colons. So this is the title message. Now to use the for loop here, for friend in friends. What is this friend? Friend is the representation of the individual string here. These are the individual strings. They have been named with the name friend. So they are represented by the friend name. This friends is actually the variable name, which equals to this whole list. It represents this whole list. So for friend in friends, and then put colons, press the enter button, your new line will start from here. So print of hello with colons, with a space, comma friend, comma backslash with the n inside the quotes. And then the last message, print of the end. When you run it, you will get this output. This hello message to all friends is because of this print function, And from here up to here is from this part of the program. For friend in friends, so this for loop will iterate on each and every single friend here in the friends list, and then it will send hello message to all these friends with a backslash n. Backslash n means to start with a new line. First the for loop iterates over the first item, which is Ali. It iterates over Ali. What is Ali? Ali is actually friend. So it iterates over the friend, which is Ali. So the hello message will send to the Ali first. And then the for loop iterates over the second friend, which is Jamila. So this hello message will send to the Jamila. And then it iterates over Dilbarjan, which is the third friend. So this hello message will send to the Dilbarjan here. This hello is this hello. Look at here. This part is because of this part inside the quotes. And this part is because of this friend. What are friends? Friends are the individual strings. They are represented with the friend name. So this part is because of this friend, and this backslash n means inside the quotes that started from the new line. Similarly, it iterates our Nimra. So this hello message will send to the Nimra here. And then the last message, the final message, which is the outermost print function. It is the outermost print function, print of the end. So finally, this line is because of this print function, print of the end here. It is the outer print function. This print function doesn't depend on this part. So I hope you got the point now here. We have sent hello message to all the four friends, Ali, Jamila, Dilbarjan, and Nimra, with a final message which is the end.